it's Jessica at Door Auction, and another vehicle currently up for bid at our 2026 curated collection and SIU Police Department unclaimed property online auction is this 2005 Ford Freestar van. This is a local estate van. It's got just over 90,000 miles. Take a look inside here. Captain's chairs in the front. They have a second and third row bench seat, and the third row does fold flat. Odometer here showing 90,071 miles. It does have new brake lines, but the ABS light is on. It's blowing air, but it's not real cool. Let's take a look here. There has been a new battery just replaced on it. All right, if you're needing a new minivan, this one is selling to the highest bidder. 2005 Ford Freestar, 90,000 miles, up for bid until this Thursday, August the 6th at 6 p.m. Visit doorauctions.com. Good luck and happy bidding.